In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to mount a partition on folder. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To mount a partition on folder, go to the File Explorer. Here I have a partition, My Data, G drive, and another one is E drive. Now I want to mount this My Data G drive into a folder in another partition. Go to E drive. To create a folder, right click and go to New. Click on Folder. Type a name. I am typing Data. Now close File Explorer. Right click on Start menu. Click on Disk Management and go to G drive. I want to mount this partition, My Data, in a folder in E drive. Right click on G drive. Click on Change Drive Letter and Path, and G drive is selected. Click on Add button. Select Mount in the following empty NTFS folder. Now click on Browse. Expand E drive and select the folder I have created earlier, or you can create a new folder from here. Select the folder and then click on OK. Now click on OK again. Now open File Explorer. Click on this PC. My G drive size is 14.8 GB. Go to E drive and look, my G drive is mounted here in Data folder. You can access my G drive from here. Double click on Data folder, and for test, make a directory. Give the name test. Click on this PC. Go to My Data G drive and look, the test folder is stored here. Close File Explorer. Now need to remove the drive letter from My Data partition. Right click on the partition and click on Change Drive Letter and Path. Select G drive and click on Remove. It's a notification. Some programs that rely on the drive letter might not run correctly. Click on Yes. The drive letter is not showing in My Data partition. Now again go to File Explorer. Click on this PC. My Data partition is not showing in File Explorer, but still you can access to the My Data partition from E drive and from My Data partition shortcut here. This is the easiest way to mount a partition in a folder on Windows 11 computer.